Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one is a Dakota Brown metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we got 20-inch 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. A black MB text interior with a natural grain oak light wood trim. Sunroof, rear climate controls, rear heated seats, trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, premium 2 package with rear shades, blind spot assist, magic vision control, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This GLE has 51,257 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.